You want a figure of your favorite character? You search online, and boom, it's way too expensive. Cool figures, but not so cool prices. But what if I told you you could make one yourself with just your own hands, no glue, no tape, just a single A4 paper? And guess what? It's actually easy. Say hello to Vyouttar's figures. Creative, glueless, and full of possibilities. And I'll show you exactly what I mean by full of possibilities in this video. Once you make one, your creative journey really begins. From there, you'll start to see how all my techniques on this channel can help you turn it into any character you like, anime, games, movies, even your own original ideas. So, what's special about these figures? Besides being able to dress them in endless ways using papercraft, you can also remove the outfit anytime and reuse the same base figure to create a brand new character. Now, grab an A4 paper, play your favorite song, and let's have fun making your very first Vyouttar figure. Before we get started, we need to cut the A4 paper into strips. There are two ways to do this. The first method is to draw the strip lines with a pencil, then cut them out using scissors or a craft knife. The second method, my personal favorite, is to use a paper cutter. It gives you fast, clean cuts with minimal effort. I've included a link to the paper cutter in case you want to grab one too. Alright, here's the deal. We're making 6 parts: torso, head, arms, and legs. And guess what? Once you finish the torso, believe me, you're already like 90% done. The rest? Easy peasy. You'll fold them with your eyes closed. Without further ado, let's start crafting. there you go. One Vyouttar figure made completely out of A4 paper. You've got no excuse not to try it now, right? Now you can check out my other videos and turn this into any character you want. I actually made this one just for you guys. It's been the most requested video in the comments. Some of you were like, Vyouttar, your figures are too hard. And others were like, we need an A4 version. Well, guess what? You asked, I delivered. And hey, don't forget to send me your creations at my Gmail. I'll feature your work and your name at the end of my next videos. Now go fold something awesome.